Today we're going to be learning about the third angle orthogonal symbol. So to start off with, I'm going to line up my page. Okay, I'm using my T-square and I'm going to line it up against the edge here. Now you guys have drawing tables. I don't, so I'm going to use some tape. I'm just going to tape my edges down. Okay, and I didn't stick that down too hard, and I'm using washi tape because I find that doesn't stick to the page as much as masking tape does. Okay, so to start off with, we're going to be doing the symbol, which typically sits up here. So Mrs. Christie has already shown you how to do your title block, okay, which is your border, and then writing your information down the bottom. So we're going to be working up here. So this symbol is something that is used by designers to indicate the type of drawing. So part of the technical drawing specifications requires this, so that all people who are going to be using this drawing will know what it is. Okay, so the symbol is actually pretty easy to draw. We only need to remember two numbers, which is 8 and 16. Okay, if you can remember those two numbers, then you're well on your way to knowing how to draw this. Now I'm going to be drawing this by freehand because I don't have a circle tool at home. However, you guys can use your circle tool and Mrs. Christie will show you how to do this. Okay, so I start off with just doing a light construction line. Okay, oops. And I'm going to use my set square. Doesn't matter which set square as long as it's a vertical line. Okay, so that's a light construction line. My pencil's darker so that you can actually see it in the drawing. Otherwise you wouldn't be able to see it in the video. Okay, so once you've got that on there, you're going to draw an 8mm circle. Okay, again, I'm doing this freehand. You guys will do this with the circle tool. And a 16mm circle. Then I'll measure across 8mm and then draw an 8mm line. Okay, so that lines up with here. Okay, and then I'll measure across 16mm. Okay, and then draw a 16mm line. And then I will join these two up. Now you'll notice that this 16mm line, if we were to project the lines across, would meet up with that. Okay, and then because this is actually a shape, it's called a conical frustum. Which kind of looks like our paint palettes. Okay, it's a cone that has had the top chopped off it. So you can imagine a paintbrush sitting in there. Okay, but it is actually turned on the side, more like one of the old-fashioned megaphones. Okay, so it's turned on the side there. So this is a top view, and this is a side view of this shape. So this circle, actually in top view, is this one here in side view. This circle in top view is this circle in side view. So it's telling you this is a third angle orthogonal. Okay, we also need to, because these are circles, we need to tell people on this drawing that this is a circle. And the way we do this is by using a chain line, by darkening in long, short, and that needs to extend beyond the edges of the object, okay, beyond the edges of your conical frustum. Okay, so that would be like that, but we don't have that line because it's not see-through. Okay.